is the makeup look I'm creating today for you guys. So this is inspired by Kareena Kapoor, and I really liked her. Okay, oh my god, I have something right there. So this is inspired by Kareena Kapoor, and I'm doing this intense eyeliner, like double eyeliner, and that's what she had in the song. Her song came out just recently. That was Kinniyat Tareefan Chaidiya Tenu, and she had like really bold lips and double eyeliner, and her face was really nice and clean. So that's what I did today, and I tried to recreate her look, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let's get to the tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm just using this In Touch Soul No Problem primer on my face. I'm just going to put on my T-zone area mainly, and next I'm just using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I'm just going to bounce it on my face, and this is just going to give us a glow before we actually put the glow. So this is like nice and really glowy foundation. I always like to use like glowy foundation because it gives hydration and the glow to the face. So the face is the foundation is done. Now I'm just going to use concealer. This is same concealer from Colorpop Concealer in medium. I'm just going to put that on my forehead, my nose, my chin, my under eyes, and it's just going to cover those dark circles and any dark areas on my face. So I'm just going to bounce that everywhere. So after this concealer is really good, it's really cancels out all the darkness under eyes, and I really like it. So now I think I'm just going to do my eyebrows, and I'm just going to fill them in, and eyebrows are done. So yeah, I really like this pomade from Salon Spa. It's really good, it matches perfectly. And I'm using this Sephora banana powder from Sephora. I'm going to set my under eyes with that Sephora banana powder, and this one is really nice and silky smooth, and it gives that silky finish to the under eyes. And I'm going to put that under my eyes and on my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and it gives that really silk and smooth finish to the touch. It's really nice and soft, and it just melts into your skin. I really like this powder. I don't use it a lot. I use my NYX powder, but I like to use this one sometimes too. It's really messy, so you really have to be careful. It goes everywhere in the ear. And I'm just using this Essence Pure Nude highlighting powder. I'm just going to put that on all over my face because that's really nice, and it gives the really nice glow to the face. Not too much highlighted, but the glow from within. It gives you that glow from within that like you're hydrating and everything. Now I'm just going to set my face with this powder by Rimmel. It's staymatte powder, and this is a translucent one, so it does not have any color, but just going to set everything in place. Yes, I'm just going to put that on all over my face, and now we are going to put some blush. This is by Tarte. I really like Tarte blushes. This is the shade Thankful, and yeah, I really like their blushes, and they're my favorite. I always use Tarte blushes. I don't know why. I really like their blushes. I have the palette, I have their colors, even though I have like so many other blushes, but I always go for the Tarte one because they look really nice on my face. I don't know, for some reason they look really nice. So any color from Tarte, I'm all for it. I really like it. Now we are just going to put some highlighter on and give the blinding yellow to the face. And yeah, that's the highlighter. Oh my god, this highlighter is really good. If you're on a budget, this highlighter is gonna give you the glow like you get from Becca highlighter. My god, this is really good. And this is like only like $5. You can get it at Walmart. And my daughter, she's here to get some lipstick for herself, so she's gonna grab a lipstick and she's just gonna go away with the lipstick. It's not actually a lipstick, it's it's what you call that, lip balm. So she's just gonna take that and put the lip balm on, and she's gonna bring it back later on. Now I'm just going to do my eyes. I'm not gonna do a lot. I'm just going to give some dimension to the eyes. I'm just going to use more the Renasiance palette. I'm using that shade. I'm just going to put that this is Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to put that shade on my crease and give it a little bit dimension, not a lot, just a little bit. Yeah, I'm just going to put that on the crease, and that's all. And I'm just going to blend it in, blend. We were going out that day. We were going to the park that day with the girls. That's for my girl. She's ready to go and have fun in the park. And she has her own channel. So if you guys like, you can subscribe to her channel. Her channel name is Pearl, and she's a toys review. And I'm just going to put that highlighting shade in the inner corners to give that highlighted effect. Oh my god, it was so windy outside. Look at the curtain, and because the wind is coming from the window. So I'm just going to put that in the inner corners, and I guess that's about it. I'm not going to do a lot to the eyes. I'm just going to concentrate on the eyeliner. So now we are going to do our eyeliner. And look at the wind blowing in. Oh my god. This eyeliner is by Latte London. And this is really good eyeliner. If you guys, this is just a mark in my eye. This eyeliner is really good by Latte London. Oh my god. This is like really black. And I really like it. So now the eyeliner is almost done. And I'm just going to fix it a little, give it a little wing, a little bigger wing. Okay, I'm just going to give it maybe a little more bigger. So yeah, the wing is on, girls. Now you can just fly anywhere you want. Just kidding. Now we are going to move on to our lower lashes. And I'm going to use that shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I'm just going to line the lower lashes and give that second liner effect. It looks hard, but it's really easy. All you have to do is just make a straight line and blend it in the lower lashes. And that's all you have to do, and nothing else. That was really easy. And it looks really good as well. You see that? All you have to do is just make a straight line and then just blend it in the lower lashes. That's all. And it looks really good too. And if you see her in the song, it looks really nice on her. And I'm just going to blend it in my lower lashes, and that's all. So you are done. I'm blending even more so it looks nice and clean and not harsh. You see? It's really nice and clean. Yeah, so all I did was just use that one shade, like it's kind of dark brown color shade. You don't have to use this palette, so I just did other way off camera. And the eyes are done. And just blending it in more on the other eye, and this eye, all the eyes. And yeah, I'm really happy the way it turned out. Now I'm just going to use the lip. Have two shades. She's wearing kind of more like a pink color on the song, but I'm just going to use this kind of purpley shade. You can use any shade you want. You can use red, purple, burgundy, or any dark color you want, or you can just go for the nude. It's up to you. I'm going for this shade. This is by Milani, and this is like purpley kind of pink, purple berry tone. And I really like this Milani liquid lipsticks. They are really good and they stay on forever, and they are totally matte, and I really like the formula on Milani lipsticks. They are the bomb. I'm just going precise on the outer edges. This lipstick is really good. Yeah, so that's it. That's the makeup done, and the lipstick is on. I'm just going to put some mascara. Hopefully I do. Now I'm just going to use this mascara by Loreal. That's their Loreal Telescopic mascara, and I just poked myself right there. I'm just going to clean that up later. I'm setting my face with this Wet n Wild setting spray. That's going to set everything in place and lock everything. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I really enjoyed filming it. If you have any suggestions, you can put it down in the comments below. And please like, share, and subscribe. And if you like this video, hit that like button. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.